Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. It's your gal Jelly. If y'all dance with me when I do my intro, let me know. Okay, so I'm coming back to you with another review. This one is by Nomad Cosmetics. It is Berlin Vin. Is that Unigrind? I think it's Berlin Unigrind. Don't give me the line. Yeah, I think it's Untiground. Yeah. So we're reviewing the Berlin palette by them. So this palette comes with 15 chateaus. It does have a mirror in the palette, and this is what it does look like. It looks like it has some type of skull in it. It does have a nice variety of colors in it. It's more earthy. I am going to swatch them for you and just let y'all see what they look like. They are named in here. I really can't pronounce too many of them. Like, I got The Wall, Love Parade, Poor But Sexy. You know, we got some of them, but then some of them are just like, I don't know what this is. But I wanted to try something because I got so much makeup over there, like I told y'all before. I wanted to try something that's really not mainstream, but to let y'all know what's out there. So let me swatch these, and I'm going to just put a picture up here of it, and then I'll tell y'all if it's creamy. Okay, so I will say that they are pigmented. They are smooth. This palette does have more shimmers than mattes in it. Because even some of the ones that I thought were matte when I put them on were shimmer. But let's go ahead and jump into this look. Okay, so I am going to say this palette does have fallout. So I would suggest that you do it either prior to putting on your makeup, or you put some extra powder under your eyes just to catch the fallout. And that's what I'm about to do now. Okay, so since I was trying out a new, um, this new palette, I decided just to try the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro eyeliner. It's in Onyx. I couldn't find my one I use all the time, so I said I'm gonna try this one and see how we like it. So let's go. Okay, so I put on my eyeliner. It was okay. I still say I like my Wet n Wild eyeliner, but that actually wasn't really bad at all. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna jump back in. I'm gonna put on some mascara, put my lashes on. And if y'all wonder what mascara I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex. But I'm gonna jump off, put some lashes on, and I'll be right back. Okay. So I'm about to go finish highlighting and stuff like that. And the kid will be right back to tell you how I feel about this. Sure, I'm back. I have finished the rest of my face. What can I say about this palette? I do like it. I'll say that. The colors were pigmented. The purple was patchy a little bit. I sort of had to pack it in places that it was a little patchy, especially like in my crease. But it was still very pigmented, as you guys can see. Also, I will say that the kickback in this palette is real. Like, it's dusty, y'all. Real dusty. I actually did mine after I did my foundation, so I had to put some extra powder under here to catch the fallout. So I would suggest that you use it prior to putting on your foundation. The gold actually showed up really nice without me having to wet my brush. The other shimmer that I used on my lid, which I cannot pronounce, Cruelty, I don't know what that is. I tried to use it. If you're watching the video, I did try to use it, and then I had to stop because I had to wet the brush and spray it a little bit with the Mario Badescu spray, and get it to do what I wanted to do. I did use the same thing, the same color I put on my lid, I used on my lip, And I really like how it came out on my lip. I didn't wet it on my lip, but I did wet it on my eyebrows. I didn't wet it on my lip, but I did wet it on my eyelids. I really, really like how this look came out. I am really trying to step out of the box with y'all and do some stuff that's a little different and out of the norm for me. So tell me what you think. If anybody else got this in an IPSY box, if anybody else has this palette, or you purchased any other products from this brand. And again, it's called Nomad Cosmetics. I'm actually going to personally go out and look and see what else they got on their site and things like that. But it is the first time I've actually heard of them. But right now, like I told y'all, I'm doing indie brands. I'm doing brands that are not necessarily out there, or at least out here that I've heard of. So if you have any other products y'all want me to try, comment down below. And I did try the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro gel liner. I actually did like that stuff, y'all. I did like it. I don't think it, you know, takes over my Wet n Wild, because that's Bay. But it did a very, very good job. So make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all subscribe. And share it with a friend. Share it with a friend. Sharing is caring. And make sure y'all thumbs up this video if you watched it this far. And I'm going to put another video over here for y'all. I am. So while you're here, you might as well watch something else. And click the notification bell so you can make sure that when I upload again, you be the first to see it. And if you are watching the videos from my notification, put hashtag notification gang down at the bottom. Sure. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye, my babies.